in the iron gut of the L train, smelling like ozone and pride, where every street god thinks he's taking the universe for a ride. This mountain of a man, built like a brick wall of hate, barks at the old guy, move it, Jew, you're clogging up my date.
Old Solomon, he don't flinch, he don't even blink an eye. He just unfolds the times like he's about to say goodbye. Right there in the basement of the paper, near the stocks and the local sin, he finds a little Harvard study, and that's where the fun begins.
Hey, son, he says, tapping a finger on the ink. The boys in Harvard found a truth that'll make your spirit sing. It's the law of shrinking, a curse upon the breed. 1 inch per generation is the scientific creed. Now, from the era of heavy ink and solid old school men, when an inch was still an inch and 10 was really 10.
But you're the epilogue, the tail end of the line, with 3 whole inches missing from your genetic design.
You're broad, you're tall, you're blocking out the sun, but the math in this here paper says your tally's almost done. I'm looking at your age, I'm trembling at the sum. Tell me what's left of you, kid, now that the reckoning is come. The fire in the big man's eyes turned into cold, wet ash. The times in Solomon's hand felt like a sudden stinging lash.
The doors hissed open, the giant bolted, running for the light. Both hands covering his crotch, disappearing into the night.